Well, this is Movie Goer Lisa 007, and today we're making a necklace. So let's get started. What you'll need: some spacers, some beads of your choice. I'm using this one. Let's see. There's the hole. Using stars and silver rondel crystal beads. Let's see if I can hold it up better. There we go. There's a star. And we want some spacers such as these to string it through the string. And today's string, I'm using one of the most powerful black string that does not break. This will last you at least 3 years before you wear and tear. If you leave it alone, that string could last you forever. But if you're going to untie it and cut it, untie it, uncut it, it'll lose its stretch and you'll get frustrated and end up throwing the whole thing away. So leave it alone. Once it's made, don't restring it unless you're absolutely certain that you know it's going to be redone. Okay, let's get started. We're doing star first. And then, here we go. See what I'm doing. See that? But the hole, there's a hole on top, or I'm pointing to right there. See the hole? That's how I got it onto the string. Then we push it all the way down. And there you have it. Then you tie your knots at the end. You can make a bracelet, but we're making a necklace. Do a few with you guys on camera. I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, everybody, how's everybody doing? Halfway through, as you can tell, we're getting near the end. Star, space, star, so we're going to add in maybe a few more. Have the star. Make sure you alternate so you get a better necklace. It'll stand out in the crowd. Almost done. I think we're almost near the end. What do you guys think? Pretty close, huh? Got 3 beads left. I'll make sure you guys can see the rest. Alright, so put all the beads on. I ran out of stars, so the project is done. If you don't have any more beads, it's okay. This is the very last one. Last one. Put the hole through it, and we are done. But we need a spacer to finish off the cut that little. Anytime you see something that looks out of the ordinary, don't be afraid to cut it. If you give yourself enough room for the length of the string, you can actually cut it. I think I made this one really long. Wow, this is a very long necklace. Look how long that is. I have to take some out. Well, Now, anytime if you feel like the necklace is too long, start taking it out, measure it against your other project, and just slowly take it out. Don't ever close the ends until you are absolutely sure. You know, it's okay to save. Just take it out. There's no harm in taking anything out. You don't want to take too much out. I'm using the shorter necklace. This is what I made already. Ain't that pretty? So we have to measure it. Gotta take space out. And that's it. We measured it. Alright, put that aside. What you want to do, make sure everything is nice and neat. Cross your string. Can you see what I'm doing? Go under, make a knot, tie it like a shoelace, make another knot. I like to go 6 times. Pull tight. Two, 3, 4, 5, last one, 6, give it a little tug. To hide the knot, just take one end and snip it off. Get it as closely possible without cutting it. Put this string, this end, into the other hole. There you go. To the other side of the hole and slip it through. And it'll hide the knot. And there you have it. Push it in, tuck it inside. Don't worry, it will stay. There you go. And then cut the string off. Give it a little tug. There's your necklace. If it's too long, you can space it out. Or if it doesn't cover it all the way, it should cover all the way. But in case if it doesn't, just space it out, make it look pretty. And, you know, there you have it. See how that is? All I'm doing is stretching, spacing it out. That's all you need to do, space it out. And there you have it. There's your necklace. This one is about maybe 12 inches, I think. 12 to 13. Between 12 and 14 inches. It's an adult sized necklace. And there you have it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. This is my last tutorial for this house. I am moving to a new location. So I'll keep you guys posted. And this is bittersweet. And this house will be the last tutorial I do for making this project in this house. So we'll have better crafts in a new house. We're downsizing. And moving is taking a lot of toll. And there you have it. A lot of distractions today. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a good thumbs up and talk to you later. Bye. Alright, before we finish, I want to see if you guys got what I got. Space, star, space, star, space, star. Anyway, you get the idea. That's what it looks like so far. I'll do a few more ones with you guys on camera. We got a star, so we go with the space. If I can get the hole in. If you can't get the hole in there, take your pair of scissors. You see that very tip right here where you see the tip where it's kind of flaky? There it is. Right there. Where I'm pointing to. All you do is snip a little bit of that stuff off, and off you go. Make life simple. Alright, we'll meet you back at the end.